Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Tiny mystery package times. Hey everyone, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. Hello, 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 welcome to another mystery package time. I know, another one. Things are still coming through. Oh, you guys are awesome. Now, I've had this tiny package. I've got no idea what's in it. I know it's from Gerwin Moores because it had Gerwin's address on the front. So I know it's from Gerwin Moores. All I know, and all I've been told, is it is a little something. So I've no idea. However, it does have rather a distinctive sound. So I don't know, is it full of gravel? Is it, I don't know what it is in there. It could be anything. It could be peanuts. I don't know. Let's find out. Boing. Oh, fail. Boing. Oh, boing. There we go, that's better. It takes practice, you know. So let's get the really quite, by this point, rubbish box opening knife and find out. So I've got no idea what's in here. Finally a box that's really obvious as to how I should open it. He says, suddenly realising it's one of those weird ones that kind of folds in on itself, which will just be embarrassing now. Let's find out what this... Oh yeah, no, I take it back. It's one of these things where it's... I don't... Hang on. A bit of knife action there. It's like these Amazon boxes you get where they don't just open this like... I don't... Hang on. I'll knock the camera. So let's have a look and see. There we go. Right, let's see what this is, shall we? Get this open and we have a note. Let's see what the note says. Hi Fox, I'm only a poor student, so these are poor offerings of gratitude to my mentor for the great YouTube Space 1999 NPC Eagle build series, Warhammer Sundays and eModels Mondays that have filled my life with such joy. Oh, thank you. The Eagle series has been the inspiration for my purchase of the special edition kit, paints and tools, and that has made me an even more impoverished student. Oh, yeah, good choice on the not expensive hobby. So please accept these offerings with my immense gratitude. Regards, Gerwin. And it's actually properly signed as well, with a proper signature. Oh, Gerwin, thank you so much. I always say, you guys don't need to send me anything, but I always really appreciate it when you do, because it's brilliant. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. We have the bubble wraps. Yeah. There's an address here. I'll cover this up. I'll cover that up with special options. Hang on, let me get a pen of covering up because I can't be blanking that out throughout the whole episode. One moment. If you're sending me stuff, try and take your address off everything. I don't want to show your address on telly. Right, so I've got... I don't even know what this is. It's kind of squishy. Rather pleasing, so I don't know what that is. We have a bag of what look like little resin balls, so I wonder if these are really hard. They're either stirring balls for jars, paint jars, or they're the things you can melt down to make resin. I'll find out in a bit. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's some kind of medical thing, and there's a thing in an envelope. See what's in the envelope. Let's find out. Oh dear. Bug bars, milk chocolate with mealworms. Yeah, that is awesome. That is awesome. It's a little bit squishy, so I'm gonna have to put it in the fridge to unmelt. It's heat wave here at the moment in the UK, so that is awesome. These are all awesome. Go and do let me know if these are, because they're not soft. They're not soft. What, how hard are they? I think they're just glass beads. So they're stirring balls. If I'm wrong, go and do tell me. But that'll come in brilliantly handy, because the one thing I keep wishing I had, especially in some of my bottle products, is stirring balls, shaking balls, so when you get a paint and you shake it, there's an agitator in there to agitate the paint or the primer, especially in things like primers. And some of the Vallejo game colours, they get a bit gloopy, so they're brilliant. I'm going to try. What is this? Is this? It's an airbrush holder. I think it's an airbrush holder. I'm not sure. It must be. It works perfectly as an airbrush holder. It's the first thing I thought, and it's actually nice because it holds my airbrush with the trigger. The one thing you find with most airbrush cleaning pots like these, and if I'm completely wrong about this and I've just completely repurposed that, then oh well. The one thing you find about these things, cleaning pots, if you try and put an airbrush in there with the trigger, you can't. You turn it round, do it that way, but it's or the other way even. But then it's even less use because so you can't do it. So you have to do that and hope it doesn't fall out. That's actually really cool. So I'm assuming that's what that is. If it's not, do tell me, because that's what I kind of think it might be. But if it's not that, do tell me what that is, because it looks potentially biological. So I'm not sure what that is, but that's brilliant. It works as brilliant as an airbrush holder. Excellent. Gerwin, thank you so much. That is awesome. Look at that. Big fat meal. You're going to want me to eat it now, aren't you? You're going to want me to eat it now, aren't you? Okay, what I'll do, let me put it in the fridge for a bit and we'll eat that. But Gerwin, thank you so much. Don't me say in the letter about I'm a poor impoverished student, just even the smallest of tiniest gifts just really makes my day. So thank you so much for sending those. That's brilliant. They'll be really, really handy. That's awesome. I like that. It's also kind of relaxing to squish it like a stress toy. But I can put a hole in the back there and hang it up. So you've also got a wall-based hanger, somewhere to hang it on the wall. Because at the moment it hangs off my desk lamp, which is a bit pants. So that is sweet. So Gerwin, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. And again, like I've said before, you don't have to send me anything, you guys. But the fact that you do every now and then, whether it's, you know, kits or things or just fun stuff like this, I love it. I absolutely adore it. It just makes me go all warm and fuzzy inside. Because as you know, everything I do, I'm about to quote Brian May, aren't I? Everything I do, there's no way around this. I can't. Everything I do it for you. Yeah, I can't get away with. I can't get around that. What I do because I want you to teach and I want you to get into the hobby and enjoy it. I want to show you how much fun it is, and I want to show you how it's not that hard and scary. So every time someone sends me something like this, just to say thank you, it's just like I'm like, yes, I'm getting there. People are getting there. So thank you so much, Gerwin. I really love those. They're brilliant. I'm going to eat that in a minute, and that's awesome. So thank you so much. Only a quickie one today, so I'll go away and put this in the fridge, and we'll give that a nom, and I'll leave half of it for Mama Fox and see if she wants to eat half of it. I bet she does. So let me go and put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, so we are back. Let's get it on. So, bug bars, milk chocolate, and mealworms. It says milk chocolate bar with mealworms! Exclamation mark. Ingredients: sugar, cocoa butter, whole milk, powder, cocoa mass, mealworms in big bold, Tenebrio monitor. I assume that's the species. Emulsifier, soy lecithin, natural vanilla flavouring. Phthalagen C ingredients in bold. Basically, mealworms, soy lecithin. Let's have a look. 12.6 grams of fat. Fibre 0.5, protein 2.4. Yeah, salt 0.7. A completely healthy snack if you took all the chocolate out. And that's from Bush Grub. I'm not a celebrity, get me a career. Cool, well, let's get these down. Now, I'm not going to eat all of it, because like I said, I'm going to save some for Mama Fox. She doesn't know it yet. She's having a snooze. But she will be experiencing half of this. Let me get a piece of tissue. I've given it a few minutes in the fridge just to cool it down. This is going to be good, this. Now, I really like those crickets that Spid sent me, so I expect I'm going to quite enjoy these. Let's find out. Ooh, it smells like... What does it smell like? Get out of the packet first of all. Okay, it just smells like chocolate. It's a good sign. Oh, the mealworm's falling out. Oh, look at... Aww. Aww, that's a bit rum. Tell you what then, let's cut a piece off. Let's cut it there. Get some mealworms out. Yeah, look at that. Now we get mealworms to feed to the birds. So I'm used to mealworms. I don't know if you can actually eat the ones you feed to birds. Come out. Right, just out you come. I don't know if you actually can eat the ones you feed to birds though. So I won't take them all. I'll take some of them. Oh, look at that. So I'm not taking all of them because I've got to leave some for Mama Fox. So she's got one in the bag. Oops, and that little bit there that I can't pick up. Get in my... I'll pick it up in a minute. Ready? Let's go. Nom, nom. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, nom. Mmm. 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 Most pleasant. You can't actually really taste the mealworm specifically. Right, get out. I don't want to try one on its own because I've got to leave these for Mama Fox. But there's a little hint of a similar taste to the crickets. That sort of slight. It kind of tastes a little bit like that kind of smell you get when you walk into a pet shop. That kind of sawdusty smell. But it's quite pleasant. And the chocolate's nice. Mmm. Excellent. So I highly recommend, if you didn't want to try crickets, try bug bars. You could theoretically, if you know how to, get yourself some edible mealworms and make some chocolate and put it in the chocolate. So not on top. It's a shame they didn't put them in the chocolate because then they'd all be staying there. Oh, that's quite nice. That very nice milky chocolate as well. Mmm. That is delicious. Gerwin, thank you very much. I shall save this for Mama Fox. She doesn't know that yet. I'll let you know how it goes. So thank you for that. That is delicious. And for me balls and my airbrush holder. If that isn't an airbrush holder, oh, I've got chocolate on my hand. If that isn't an airbrush holder, do tell me what it is. Because if it's not an airbrush holder, I'm not sure what it is. But if it's an airbrush holder, I've got it right, and that's fabulous because I can stick that on the wall. I have a wall-mounted one. So thank you so much for that, Gerwin. I really, really appreciate that, especially if you're a skint student. I appreciate it all the more. That's absolutely fantastic to send these to me. Thank you so much. They'll all find a good home. That obviously half of that will find a good home in someone else. Oh, but I shall leave it there. Just in filming this little video, which has taken about 10 minutes, my room has gone from tepid to sauna, so I might not get much filming done today. I'm still denubbing the Strike Rouge Autori, and I need to film a little bit of that for the first episode. I'm just waiting for it not to be a million degrees, so I might try and get some of that done later on. But yeah, Gerwin, thank you so much. I really, really love those. That is brilliant. Again, if you want to send me something, you're more than welcome. You don't have to. I don't expect you to. Just need to watch my stuff and show me pictures of the models you've built. That's all the payback I need. But if you really want to, do feel free. But that is brilliant. Thank you so much. So that's going to do it. Only a little short, quick video. Again, Gerwin, thank you so much. Don't forget, this Sunday coming up is Warhammer Sunday, as every Sunday, and we've got the Spitfire 1/48 scale, not 1/24, like I said in the post. 1/48 scale Spitfire to give away. Ooh, ooh, ooh! I just noticed. Oh, here's something for old people. 1970 Star Wars figures. Every now and then you get one that had a certain smell. Most of them didn't have any smell at all, but every now and then you get one that has a certain smell. One of which was Boba Fett. And this smells exactly like Boba Fett. Just every now and then you get one that had a funny smell to it. And just notice now, it smells exactly like Boba Fett. Same kind of plastic. So yes, don't forget, wandering off there on a tangent, don't forget to come along on Sunday, join in the live chat, and maybe you'll win the 1/48 scale Spitfire. If you haven't watched the video yet, go and watch it. All you need to do is basically put a comment on that video, but it'll tell you what you need to put, and I'll pull the winner next week. But that's going to do it, so thank you so much for watching. Gerwin, again, I really love these. Thank you so much. There is another package on its way to me, I think, that I know about. I think. But after that, then I think that's it for packages coming in. So I've had so many mailbag videos in the last week or so. It's been brilliant. So thank you so much to everybody that sent me stuff. Anyway, I'll stop waffling. I need to turn all the lights off so I can cool down outside for 10 minutes. Again, take care of yourselves. Go make something. I've got balls. I've got balls. Go make something awesome. I don't know where that came from. Go be awesome. And until next time, when I remember to put the microphone on, because I've actually forgotten to do that, and that's why it sounds really faint. Sigh. Adios, amoebas.